The stress of daily responsibilities like working, cooking, cleaning, and helping the children with homework can take a toll on our physical bodies. But what some people tend to ignore is how the pressures of daily responsibilities can also take a serious toll on your love life. Sometimes couples get so busy, they forget to focus on ways to keep the romantic fires burning in their marriage. Don't fall into this trap. Consider the following ideas to inspire romance in your marriage. Romantic ideas for men to consider. 1. Make your wife first priority in all of your interpersonal relationships. 2. Never honor your mother above your wife. The same holds true with other relatives, father, sister, brothers, etc. 3. Never allow your relatives to disrespect or criticize your wife in your presence. 4. Never loan significant sums of money or co-sign a loan without first discussing it with your wife. What is considered a significant amount varies from one household to the other, so discuss and agree on the amount before someone asks for a loan. 5. Kiss your wife and say, "I love you," before leaving home for work. 6. Take the family out to dinner when your wife doesn't feel like cooking. 7. Periodically clean your wife's car and fill the tank with gas. 8. Gently caress your wife's face as you kiss her softly on the lips. 9. Shave and shower before trying to seduce your wife. 10. Help your wife clean the house sometimes. 11. Don't work overtime every day. The physical and emotional drain may have a negative impact on your sex life. 12. Book a hotel room and surprise your wife with dinner and an overnight rendezvous. 13. Never stare at another woman, especially when your wife is nearby. 14. Remember special days like birthdays and anniversaries. 15. Say thank you when your wife prepares dinner, then leave a tip on the table. 16. Kiss your wife before going to sleep. 17. Learn the art of sexual foreplay. If you don't know what to do, ask her what she likes. 18. Notify your wife if you expect to get home later than usual. 19. If your wife likes public displays of affection, send flowers or a small plant to her workplace or other appropriate place so other women can see them. 20. Take your wife out to dinner at her favorite restaurant once a month without the children. 21. Tell your wife how nice she looks when she gets dressed and ready to step out. 22. Tell your wife how nice she looks when she wears her hair in that special way you like. 23. Walk beside your wife and hold her hand while talking with her about things that interest her. 24. Send your wife a romantic card just to say, "I still love you." 25. Discuss financial decisions with your wife. 26. Don't discourage your wife when she talks about her big dreams. Instead, inspire her to plan ways to pursue them. 27. Spend money on your wife. Buy her something she likes without demanding something in return. 28. Soak your wife's aching feet in warm water when she comes home from work. Then dry them and massage them with baby oil or her favorite moisturizer. 29. Stop lying to your wife. If she catches you in a lie concerning small things, she may really mistrust you when it comes to big things. 30. Prepare a will and buy a big life insurance policy. Be sure your wife and children are listed as beneficiaries ahead of your mother and siblings. 31. Pray for your wife and with her, especially when your family faces difficult circumstances. This is a marriage success moment presented by Dr. David Stevens.